If you want to add extra movement to your photos and videos when editing them, stick around for this video where I'll teach you how to zoom in, out, and pan around next on Tech Device News. Alright, so I have two clips laid out here. This first clip is just a photo, and this second clip is a little bit of video to go and test. And when you first click on it, it'll bring up this effect controls panel. And what you're going to do is drag over to the part where you want it to zoom in. So if you want it to zoom in starting from the beginning, you click these two little timer icons. Click both of these, and what they'll do is it'll set two keyframes right over here, and I'll know when to go and start the movement. Now let's say over on here you want it to zoom in, then you'll just go and adjust it accordingly. So we'll just put up the scale, maybe center it a little bit more, and then now if we take our playhead and go back, and there you go. Now it will zoom in. Let's say that you want it to then zoom out after it zooms back in. Then over here we just adjust the scale and put it to wherever you'd like it. So if you want it all the way out here, you can do so. It looks like that. I'm just going to demonstrate it once more, but this time with the video clip. I have the playhead dragged all the way at the beginning, and we're going to set our two keyframes right over here. And then we want it, by this section, we want it to zoom inward, and we want it to also go up. So now when we go back to the front of the playhead, it will zoom in. Let's say that then we want to, by this point, we want it to like pan over, go down, and pan over to some other section of the phone. So what we'll do is we'll just adjust our scale, and everything that we want, we'll just adjust that accordingly, and it will set those keyframes. Alright, so now when we go and play that back, it'll look like this. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful in any way, please give it a like so the YouTube algorithm will recommend my videos to more people. While you're at it, consider subscribing to more tech content every week. That's it for this video, and I'll see you next time on Tech Device News.